Nice and dramatic. And all I have to do now is render, which I have not set up on this. Yeah, all we have to do is add the, well, I got to make sure the project settings has the the CLI enabled if we're going to do an MP4. Yeah, it's exactly what we did last time. So if I wanted to go to my motion design, let's see, that's in my program files. There we go. Grab the copy as a path, jump back here, paste that in. The codec is libx264, AAC, and output is MP4. So we'll save that in our project settings. Don't need any plugins. Go to our config now. We've already got our JPEG set up, so I just need to add anti-aliasing. Usually we go 5, and override, and then add the CLI command line encoder, and that should be ready to go. So we accept it, Ava sequence, and I'm ready to render. Nope. Oh, I haven't saved. You should always save. Save all. Let's call this level motion design 1. I had 120 frames, so it's about 2 seconds long when it's done. So it's going to be pretty fast. There we go. So that's our first motion design project. We created waves. We were able to add objects to it. I'm not 100% happy with my not Legos, but we can play. It could be any object. It doesn't have to be those. I just simply use that as an example. So we could go with anything in this, though. It could be cubes, spheres, very small rocks, anything we wanted to use. So if you want to be more creative than this for the assignment that's due Thursday, you are welcome to do so. But this should get you started doing it.